Welcome back everyone. In this Dahua Partner App tutorial, we'll guide you on how to scan a product and successfully receive points. It's a simple process that can be really rewarding. So let's get started. Step 1 is to purchase a Dahua product, but remember, it should have been manufactured within the last 1.5 years. So ensure you have a valid product in hand before proceeding. Now let's move on to step 2. Open your Dahua Partner App on your mobile device and access the main menu. Look for the middle orange button, and that's where we'll begin. Step 3 is the exciting part, scanning the product. Grab the Dahua products you purchased and locate either the QR code or the serial number barcode on the outside of the product box. Open the scanning feature on the app and position your phone's camera to scan the code. The app will do the rest. Step 4 is the final step in scanning process. On your screen, you'll find the product's unique serial number code. Confirm that it matches the product you scanned and then type submit to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully scanned the product and received the points. It's that simple. Now you can enjoy the benefits and rewards that come with your Dahua Partner App membership. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to scan a Dahua product and receive points through the Dahua Partner App. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy scanning.